let's start with the custom package creation part in ROS2 Humble. So in the last video we created the mobile robot workspace. Getting inside that workspace is very important because it gives us clarity in the beginning. So the workspace name was mobile robot. Okay, if you have not watched that video, like how to create the workspace, please go behind and watch that video. It will just take 1 or 2 minutes and then come back to the package creation video. Okay, so we are now inside that particular workspace. Now what I will do is that I will create that package and simultaneously explain like what is the file system, because in the last video we saw that what is file system and what is computational graph at a very surface level. But what is file system? First of all, we created the workspace which is at the top level. Then we created the src folder. Now let's come back to the terminal. After hitting ls, we can see that there is src folder. Now coming back to the explanation part. So we have created the workspace. Then we have the src folder, the source folder, which we have to create as a default folder. Then inside that src folder we will create the packages. I think that is clear, right? So below that src folder you will create your packages, multiple packages, like any number of packages that you want. You can create below src folder, like inside the src folder, and then inside those packages you have your files. Okay, you can create packages for different functions in a robot. That could be the navigation, that could be the sensor part, that could be the hardware integration part, any kind of package. So it depends upon your choice. So now let's get back into the terminal. Okay, now how to create a package? So we have the default kind of a command to create the package. So for that we have to go inside the src folder. Now we are inside the src folder. Let's create the package. So the command for creating the package is ROS2 pkg create. The name of the package it could be let's take example of camera integration. We will put all the files of camera in this particular package. So camera integration. Okay, ROS2 pkg create camera integration. Now we will mention the build type, that is CMake. So the package is created. We will see the package creation, like is it created or not, using the ls command. You can see that the camera integration package is created, and we will clear the above commands and we will now go inside that camera integration. Okay, we can see that the camera integration package is created, and inside that particular package we have some files like CMake lists, package.xml, src, include, and all those folders, right? Make sure that you create your own package using this command and then come back to the next videos. For this video it was limited up to this particular level, up to the package creation part. In the next video we will dive much more deeper and see the other concepts, like what are some other aspects, that is the computational graph in ROS2. So yeah, that was all about today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together.